Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm bringing you another tutorial. Everybody always wants to know how I get my puff so big, so I definitely filmed that for you guys. So first thing you're going to do is oil your scalp. Make sure your hair is always protected. Then you're going to have a big stretchy hair tie and some water and a heat protectant. Then you're going to part your hair in fours like I always do. I actually did it in halves, but it's actually fours. Then you're going to dampen your hair. Section off pieces and dampen your hair. Then you're going to take a part of your hair and you're just going to take that blow dryer, hold your hair down. It's as if you're blow drying your hair without running a comb through it. So just stretching it, getting it as stretched as possible. So I did the rest of my hair off camera and I just came back to show you the front. Just so you can see what it kind of gonna look like after you're finished. Then you're gonna pull your hair up like you're putting it in a top knot. Then you're gonna take some Eco Styler, rub it in your hands, and then rub it on the perimeter of the hair. Then you're gonna take a nice hard brush and brush your hair up as if you're putting it all in a ponytail. I slowed it down for you guys just so that you can see my technique. Then you're actually gonna put your hair in a ponytail. But instead of like doing 2 knots, 3 knots, you just do 1, and then you pull the hair through the hair tie. That's why you need a nice big stretchy hair tie. Then you're gonna get a pick and pick out the puff to your liking. Pick it out, just keep picking it out until you get the shape that you like. And now you have a big and fluffy puff. So now I'm just sleeking my edges with a little bit of Gorilla Snot. I am no pro at sleeking my edges. I do the best I can. But if you come in here looking for a tutorial on how to sleek your edges, I am not her. So now I'm just wrapping my hair up like any black girl does. You know, you gotta sleek those edges, lay them down. And I'm taking that same hair oil that I used on my scalp and I'm just putting it all over the puff. Part 2 of this video, the makeup part, will be dropped shortly. Bye y'all.